Okay, so how to export a specific part of your video in Premiere Pro. So this is how to do. Probably you've edited and you want to export. So you mark that particular place first. You press I. So like letter I, yeah. So you go for the wherever place you want the video to end at, you press O. So yeah, I and O, in, I, out, O. So yeah, then you export. Control M to export, shortcut key Control M to export. Yes, so yeah, so let's say you want to export it. Yeah, after you press Control M to export, you come here, you make sure that this is not in entire source. This is in source in or out, exactly this to this. So this is what the thing means. If you put entire source, you won't see this. But if you put source in and out, so this is what you're going to see. Then you click on export. So then you click on export. That's all.